After 2 years of creating content, I have learned a thing or two about how powerful the voice and judgment of the audience is. Whenever we produce a video, it's like holding a mirror to ourselves, and it makes me realize why they say that media is democracy's fourth pillar. Its primary role is to speak truth to power. And seeing these tweets on X got me thinking, do election campaigns have to be entertaining? Is keeping up with the Karyakartas a show we need? But then I realized something. The role of media has changed. They no longer speak truth to power, they now manufacture the truth. Now, you think that's an offensive statement? Let me present a few facts around this. 103 crores was spent just between December to March on political ads according to one Meta and Google estimate. From 2019 to 2023, BJP alone spent 33 crores, which is 10% of all the money that advertisers spend to run Facebook ads in India. If you look at the chart, you'll notice that the other parties aren't too far behind. And if ad spends are not shocking enough, the ongoing general elections are dubbed as the influencer elections. But are politicians running these ads? Are politicians deciding which influencer to partner with or which podcast to appear on? With the data we found from Google Ads Transparency Center, it turns out that it's political consultancies that are among the top 2 spenders. So I started digging into political consultancies in India, and did you know it's an industry worth 2,500 crores? This got me intrigued. What does a political consultancy even do? Why is their work not discussed publicly? And can political consultants swing elections? How do they even have so much sway? And should we as citizens be concerned about its impact on a democracy? In today's video, we will answer all these questions and unpack the business of political consultancies in India and how they've cracked the art and science of election campaigns. Before we get into the analysis, you should know that we are not making this video to promote any party or politician's work, but also not in the business of predicting who wins the elections. So if you are here for any of that, you'll be disappointed.